Welcome, class. Today our session title is Week 7, Session 26, Balancing Chemical Equations. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to balance equations using conservation of atoms. Listen for these key terms: coefficient, subscript, conservation, reactant, product. First, keep the three chemistry levels together. Balancing equations is based on conservation of matter. Atoms are rearranged, not created or destroyed, in ordinary chemical reactions. Coefficients change the number of particles or formula units. Subscripts are part of formulas and must not be changed while balancing. When you feel stuck, ask, what did I observe, what are the particles doing, and what symbol or calculation represents it? The core model is this. Count atoms on both sides. Adjust coefficients, recount, and reduce to the smallest whole number ratio. Leave pure elements such as O2 or H2 for later if they appear in several places. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first, then let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now let's work an example. Balancing combustion. Balance CH4 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. Carbon is already balanced with 1 C on each side. Hydrogen has 4 on the left, so place 2 before H2O. Now oxygen on the right is 2 in CO2 plus 2 in 2H2O, total 4. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning, not from guessing. Here is a second example. For Al plus O2 gives Al2O3. Oxygen is tricky because O2 has 2 oxygen atoms and Al2O3 has 3. Use the least common multiple 6. Place 3 before O2 and 2 before Al2O3. That gives 4Al on the product side, so place 4 before Al. Now answer this self-check. In balancing equations, can you change a subscript in a formula? A strong answer should include no. Hint, changing a subscript changes the substance. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1, balance H2 plus O2 gives H2O. Task 2, balance Mg plus HCl gives MgCl2 plus H2. Task 3, explain why coefficients are allowed but subscripts are not. At the end of your study, write one sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridge2exam.com.